Today we're tackling a common issue faced by diesel engines with SCR systems: crystal formation in the selective catalytic reduction SCR system. In an SCR system, diesel exhaust fluid DEF, commonly known as Adblue, is injected into the exhaust stream to reduce harmful emissions. However, over time, crystals can form within the urea dosing systems and SCR catalytic converter. These crystals can clog the system, leading to performance loss, engine malfunctions, and costly repairs. Introducing MotorPower Care DEF Guard Additive Anti-Crystallizer, the latest technology solution to clean and prevent crystallization in the SCR system. Our advanced formula ensures your engine remains efficient and reliable, preventing the issues caused by crystal formation. Once you add the DEF Guard additive to your DEF tank, it mixes thoroughly with the Adblue solution. As the mixed solution flows through the urea dosing system and into the SCR catalytic converter, the additive begins to dissolve any existing crystals. It effectively breaks down the crystal deposits on the injector area and within the SCR system, restoring proper function. The advanced formula not only cleans but also creates a protective layer that prevents new crystals from forming. This ensures long-term reliability and optimal performance of your SCR system, reducing the risk of clogging and engine malfunctions. Using the DEF Guard additive is simple and straightforward. Here's how. Measure the necessary amount. Use the dosing chamber on the 250 milliliters bottle to measure the required amount. One bottle treats up to 100 liters, 26 US gallons of DEF Urea fluid Adblue. Use 25 milliliters for every 10 liters. For every 10 liters, 2.5 US gallons. Mix with Urea Adblue solution. Pour the measured amount into the Urea Adblue solution. Add to the DEF Adblue tank. Once mixed, add the solution to your vehicle's DEF Adblue tank. Repeat at each refill. Repeat this process every time you refill your DEF Adblue tank to maintain optimal performance and prevent crystal formation. Experience the difference with MotorPower Care DEF Guard Additive Anti-Crystallizer. Protect your engine, enhance performance, and ensure long-term reliability with our latest technology solution. Trust MotorPower Care for all your automotive maintenance needs. MotorPower Care, innovation in motion. Visit our website at mpcare.com for more information.